Continuity means things are continuous, happening without a break. Okay. In maths, we have the function f of x. These are all the values of x. The domain, codomain we say, remember. For example, take the function f of x equals x square. What is the value of f of 1? 1 square. F of 2? 2 square, that is 4. This like the values will exist. Now, as we are discussing here, x-axis 1 means this is called as f of 1. Okay. Here 2 means this is f of 2. The value of x keep on changing. Value of x keep on changing. Likewise, for instance, I want to know whether f of 100 is exist or not. This like if you process means whether f of 100 will exist or not. And that happens only if the function is continuous. So this x value from 0 it is starting and it reaches tends to 100, which means what? It is moving forward 100. Okay. Still we don't know what is that f of 100. Where is that f of 100 shall we spot? Somewhere like here it will come. This is f of 100. As x is reaching to 100, this f of 1, f of 2, that also should reach to where? F of 100. Then we can say the function is continuous. Here, for example, I took 100 at a point. At a point means I took 100. In general, we'll say a point A. Okay. Then this x approaches to where? 100. Generally, I said what? A. X approaches A means f of x should approach where? F of A. F of A. That how you will say in a definition? Continuity at a point. Limit x tends to A as x approaches to A, f of x will be equal to what? When x reaches to A, this f of x should be what? F of A. Then we can say it is continuous at this point. You understood or not? Then right hand limit, left hand limit. Right continuous, left continuous. That is simple. Instead of starting from 0, we are starting somewhere near to A. How much near to A? Very near, very close to A. Okay. That like if a point A is there, very near means we will define a neighborhood. A plus h. From both sides we are approaching A. From here we are approaching A. From here we are approaching A. If we are approaching from left side, that is A minus h. What is h? This some minute small value. Way smaller than this, and that difference should reach to 0. So how this is defined? Left continuous. Left continuous. How it is defined? Limit x tends to A minus. Same thing. X tends to A minus f of x. Because from here A minus h, that is why From left side we are approaching, just to denote the direction. Okay. Then right limit extends to a plus f of x. A plus means what? A power plus means from where we are approaching? Right to left. Okay. The thing is, while approaching here also, it should reach to same value. While approaching here also, it should reach to same value. So, these both should be equal. This left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit. Okay. Then only you can say it is continuous. Also, that should be equal to f of e. Okay. For example, this left limit, right limit or not. While you are approaching from left hand side, a function approaches this point, for instance. While approaching from the right hand side, a function comes and approaches this point. Both points are same or not? No. It should be same. Understood or not? It should be same. If that is same means, from this side we are approaching one point, from that side approaching one point, that both points should be same. Then only we can say continuous. In this case, it is not continuous. In the other case, you see, from left side we are approaching, it reaches to one point like this. From right side we are approaching, it reaches to the same point. In this case only, we are having left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, and that is equal to f of. Clear? What? That is equal to f of a. That's all. In short, if this thing cannot be calculated directly, we'll split this into two. Like this. It should be equal to this. Okay? That is how this continuity works. Clear? Also, there are types of discontinuity that we'll see after solving several examples. Okay? Formulas. This is all formula. This is the formula. Limits you know, right? Yes, this is one formula. This is another formula. For that individually we have formulas. I'll give you shortcuts. Okay? You just know what is continuous. These two formulas. That is enough. I'll give you shortcuts for that. Okay? Shall I erase everything? You understood or not? Yes, write these formulas. We have separate formulas for right hand limit as well as left hand limit. That formula also you can write if you want. Shall I write, or will you feel confused if I wrote those formulas? Yes. Then while discussing the questions, I'll tell you. Okay. Have you noted this down?